Hello and welcome. I'm Christina Lucy, product lead at U.com. In this video, we're diving into an exciting new feature on U.com, connecting to custom agents by API. Think of custom agents as mini AI apps you can build, train, and now deploy anywhere you need them. Whether you're looking to boost productivity, deliver smarter customer experiences, or integrate AI into your internal tools like Slack or Teams, this is for you. So what are custom agents? If you're not already aware of the power of custom agents on U.com, think of them as mini AI-powered apps tailored to your specific needs. You can give the agent instructions and relevant documents, and it then uses that information to perform complex tasks for you. Our customers use custom agents to do amazing things like a sales pitch evaluator that uploads a Zoom recording and gives the user instant AI-driven feedback on their sales pitch. Or a sales engineering agent that takes all of your product documentation into consideration and gives instant answers to technical product questions. Unlike other agentic platforms, U.com agents are highly accurate, understand your company context, and reason in a way that's specifically tailored to your enterprise use cases. So why does all this matter? Customization. You can build agents tailored to your unique business processes. Efficiency. You can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up your team for more strategic work. And the best part, scalability. Now you can easily deploy your agents wherever you need, internally or externally, because you can integrate your custom agents into any app or website via an API. Okay, so let's get to the good part. Let's walk through how easy it is to create your custom agent and integrate it using the U.com API. A really cool use case is building an agent for a customer conference that lets attendees interact with your agent directly from your event website. We have a hackathon coming up, so I'm going to make an agent that acts as a developer relations expert. So first head to U.com and hit the Create Agent button. You're going to start by giving your agent a name and a description. And you're going to add in your custom instructions. As a pro tip, I like to use the official Agent Prompt Pro agent from U.com to help me write really detailed prompts. Now, I want this agent to know our docs inside and out. So I'm actually going to go and grab the URL from our online documentation and give that to the agent as a reference. So you open this Manage Sources, and here's where you can upload files. In this case, I'm going to add our URL, and I'm going to take off the excess so it has just the root URL, so it can get all of the pages that are hanging off of this one. I'm going to save that and hit Create on my agent. So once created, you'll land on the agent details page where you can start to test out your agent. I've been asking my agent about what parameters are available for the U.com Advanced Agent API, and that's looking pretty good. So when you're satisfied with your agent, head on back to your agent details page and look for the Connect via API button next to Share. This opens up the U.com Developer Platform console, displaying all of your agent details. If you've already been developing on our platform and have an API key, you're ready to go. If you're not sure where to start, create an API key and check out the sample code provided. All that's left is to embed this code into your app, website, or workflow. In the Developer Console, you'll also find an Agents tab listing all the agents you've created with easy access to their ID and details. We're excited to see the innovative ways developers will use U.com custom agents. From empowering internal teams to transforming customer experiences, the possibilities are endless. Start building your custom agents today and unleash the power of U.com custom agents anywhere you need it. Thanks for watching and happy building.